So in this video, I will show you how much money I've made on YouTube in the month of October, and I will also reveal my 5 income sources, and I will also be doing a £100 giveaway, so stick around to the end to hear more about that. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Euan, and on this channel we talk about personal finance and investing in the stock market. So if that's something that tickles your fancy, then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, because it really does help out the channel. So this may or may not be the 3rd or 4th video that I've done around how much money I'm making on YouTube. I do apologise if you're getting annoyed by these, but I'm just trying to be transparent and show you what can be done, and hopefully inspire some people to start a side hustle or start a YouTube channel or blog or blah blah blah. Because at the end of the day, especially with everything going on at the moment, another source of income is not a bad thing at all. Personally, I think creating another side income or side hustle or whatever is a good thing, and I think anyone can do it. I'm nothing special, at least that's what my mum says anyway. October for me was a really exciting month because I actually reached 5 sources of income from different varied places, and in September I only managed to do 3, so to go up to 5 is quite good, even if those are tiny little ones, but it all adds up. So I'll start with my smallest one. My smallest income source is actually from Patreon. I made £2.28 from one patron, and I want to shout out Jonathan for being my first patron, because the guy's a legend. So thanks to him, and you might not have known that I've got Patreon because I don't really promote it very much, because I'm still trying to work out what is the best way to do it, how can I provide value to you. So if you can think of a way that I can provide value, leave it in the comments, because it would really help me out and hopefully help you out. The next source of income is pretty similar to the previous one, and it is buymeacoffee.com. This allows people to send me money, and it's conveniently around the same price as a coffee, hence the name. So overall, for the whole time I've had an account with them, I've actually had 2 coffees bought for me. One from Jonathan, this guy's a legend, I tell you, and the other one from Ruby, who may or may not be my girlfriend. Anyway, both of you are legends, and I really appreciate you sending some money across, and I made £2.61 from Buy Me a Coffee this month. As you may or may not know, I'm actually trying to replace my income from YouTube with my actual full-time job, so that I can do YouTube full-time. Every single stream of income, no matter how small, is actually good for me, and it's building up, and as Testo says, every little helps. So even if it's £1, I'm still excited about that, very excited, because I can see it's getting me one step closer to the goal that I want to achieve. The next source is from a sponsor, which I did a while back, and I received around £50. I'm trying to do more sponsored posts and more sponsored content, but I'm only trying to do sponsored stuff that actually provides you value, and I think would be beneficial to my audience and to you out there, because otherwise I'm just a sellout. I don't want to be a sellout. The next income source is actually improved 10% since last month. If it continues at 10% each time, it's basically a compounding effect, and it will be very, very tasty when it gets down 10, 12, 13, 14 months down the line. It will look very, very tasty if it continues at that rate. So fingers crossed. And this source was actually YouTube AdSense. So I made £557.99 last month, which has improved from just over £500 the previous month. And as I said, I'm hoping that as my channel grows, this should continue to grow as I get more views and more subscribers, etc, etc. So hopefully it will continue to grow, but it's not the most reliable, because advertisers could not like my face or my dodgy t-shirt and stop advertising on my videos. So that's the reason I'm trying to diversify my sources, so that if it does happen in the future when I'm full-time, then I won't be living in a cardboard box. And the final income source is actually truly baffling, and I don't understand how this has come about and why it's so large, but I'm super, super grateful and thankful to anyone who has helped me out with this one. So for example, when you guys go and sign up for Training 212 in the link in the description and deposit £1, and you get a free share for doing so, I also get a free share as well. And in the month of October, I received just over 60 shares at around £897.57. So in my Training 212 update the other day, I did predict that I'd reach £1,000 from free shares, but I didn't quite make it. But I think the reason for that is that it tapers off, so they tend to give you good free shares at the start of the month, and then they give you the rubbish ones. But they're not rubbish at all, because I'm very grateful for anyone who signs up using the link, because it really does help me out and hopefully help me achieve my dream down the line. So thank thanks. And also the mad thing about this is today when I'm filming this video, I've actually already received £100 in free shares. So I've received about 5 or 6 free shares and they've all been quite good. So it's just crazy. 1K, here we come for November. Oh, thank you. So before I add it all up and show you how much money I've made in total from YouTube in October, I'll just pass you over to the intern and he'll talk to you about the £100 giveaway. So, do I have to do it? Yes, you have to do it. Really? You have to do it, mate. I'm sorry. You need a job, don't you? I'm paying you at least minimum wage. Price you pay for being an intern. Okay, get a real job. For the £100 giveaway, all you need to do to enter is to go over to Euan's Movember page and donate at least £5, and also follow at Euan Copeland on Instagram. The charity that he's fundraising for is for his lung condition. So he has PCD, which is called primary ciliary dyskinesia. This charity basically helps people with this condition manage the condition and live a better life with the condition, because it can be quite taxing for people who have just been diagnosed. As I said, the link is in the description below. Just make sure that when you've donated, add your Instagram handle or Twitter or Facebook or whatever, so that I can contact you and decide whether you're the winner. Euan will announce it on his Instagram and he'll put it on the community tab over here so that you can see who wins. So good luck to everyone, and I'll look forward to going through all the people that sign up. Need to get a new job. Cheers, mate. So in total, I have made from YouTube in October £1,515 and 92 pence, which is insane. So for full transparency, this is obviously pre-tax, so this will be part of my self-assessment tax form for my self-employed YouTube channel business thing. So it isn't all cash, but I'm super happy with it and I'm super excited because I'm getting closer and closer to replacing my income. So I'm super thankful and super grateful for anyone who's helped contribute to this. So all I can say is thank you, and that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it, or you just enjoyed looking at how much money I've made or laughing at my terrible jokes. If you have enjoyed it, then please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you like, because it really does help out the channel. And all there is left to say is I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one, so peace. So in this video I will reveal So in this video I will reveal I will show you how much money I've made. So in this video I'll show you how much money I've made in as you may or may not do YouTube full time. If that makes sense. Of course that makes sense. What are you on about, Euan?